Think you're a math master? Think again. Get ready for the ultimate math challenge. Only the sharpest minds will survive. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more brain-busting quizzes. What is 20% of 900? The answer is 180. 250 plus 445 equals? The answer is 695. 709 minus 223 equals? If 4 cups of coffee cost $16, how much would 8 cups cost? $32. 14.2 plus 15.4 equals? It's 29.6. $30 item, 25% off. What's the sale price? $2,250. 377 plus 774 equals? It's 1151. 311 plus 98 equals? $409. 833 minus 231 equals? The answer is 602. A car travels 120 miles in 4 hours. What is its average speed? 30 miles per hour. 27.3 plus 10.4 equals? $37.7. 24 times 6 equals? It's 144. 514 plus 772 equals? It's 1286. 1501 minus 331 equals? $1170. What is 30% of 1200? $360. 25.7 minus 11.6 equals? The answer is 14.1. 12 times 20 equals? The answer is 240. If 5 banana costs $3.50, how much would 6 banana cost? $4.20. 664 plus 112 equals? $776. 960 plus 244 equals? $1204. 33 times 11 equals? $363. $250 item is on 20% off. What's the sale price? $200. 41.5 plus 23.4 equals? The answer is 64.9. 450 plus 982 equals? The answer is 1432. What is 75% of 2000? It's 1500. 1667 minus 344 equals? $13.23. 992 plus 558 equals? $15.50. 44.6 minus 21.3 equals? $23.3. 360 divided by 12 equals? $30. 773 plus 446 equals? It's $12.19. 333 plus 220 plus 21 equals? It's $5.74. 10.4 plus 11.5 plus 12.1 equals? The answer is 34. A rocket travels 1,500 kilometers in 2.5 hours. What is its average speed? 600 kilometers per hour. 800 minus 451 equals? It's 349. 890 plus 1122 equals? It's 2012. 22 times 50 equals? It's 1100. 1500 minus 322 equals? $11.78. 66.7 plus 12.7 equals? It's 79.4. What is 5% of $560? $28. 2025 plus 1992 equals? The answer is 4017. Well done, everyone! Which question did you find the most challenging? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more brain teasers, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next challenge. Thanks for watching!